So you want to turn on the Samsung Z Fold 6. I'm assuming you've tried pressing and holding the power button and it's not working. So the first option is instead press and hold both power and volume down. So press and hold these two together and keep them held down for around 30 to 45 seconds. This is going to force a restart of the phone. The software may have frozen, which is why you see the phone off. However, it may actually be on silently. So by holding these two buttons down, we should see the Samsung logo after that time. And so if you do, just release from the buttons. If not, the second solution is to just check the charging port, see if that's clean. If not, you may need to get a needle and just go in and clean the charging port, then charge the phone, try again. The third solution is that the battery cable or the display cable has unplugged from the phone. So what we need to do with two fingers, we just need to push really hard all the way across the back of the phone. So push down with maximum force, do the full back carefully, and then with two fingers, tap as hard as you can, maximum force, all the way across the back of the screen. Speeding this up for the presentation of the video. And then do the exact same with the front of the screen. Two fingers, push really hard down. Don't do this in the inside screen because it's plastic, so I wouldn't recommend that. So what's going to happen is it's going to plug back in the battery cable or the display cable. Once you've done that, connect the phone to the charger, do the power and volume down for 45 seconds, and hopefully your phone turns back on. If still not turning on, your phone has unfortunately become faulty, so you will need to contact Samsung and book in a repair.